Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a quick little hairstyle video on cam, and we hope that you guys enjoy, just like he enjoyed those snacks. So I'm going to be starting off brushing through his hair. So this is like 2-day hair. We had given him a style the day before, and today would be wash day. So I just decided to show you guys this style before I washed his hair. So I am combing through his hair very gently. It may not look that way, but I promise you it's very gentle. He does still have a little bit of a soft spot at the front, so if you are doing your child's hair or a child's hair, please be mindful of their soft spot and don't push, pull, tug too hard on it. So we put a little water on his hair just to start with the product. And then now we're going to get into it, guys. I'm using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Kids Curling Butter Cream. This product is heaven. I will definitely do a review for you guys because I just love it. We're going to use our elastic bands, and we're going to need a tail comb. Don't worry, the elastic bands are not going to hurt him. And if you have any worries, there should be some that are kid friendly. You can look for those specifically. So we're starting with the back. The back of his hair is the straighter part of his hair and the thinner part of his hair. So I'm deciding to just put that back part into one section instead of putting it into two sections. So I'm trying to get the part as straight as possible. I never think it's going to be perfect at this point because I'm not trying to repetitively dig into his head, and you know, he's a kid. It doesn't really matter what the part looks like, but you can just get it as straight as you can, do the best that you can, whatever you're comfortable with. So when I have the part figured out, I'm going to just secure the rest of his hair, and then I'm going to add a little bit of product to the back, or to whatever section that I'm in at that point. So I'm applying that in, running it through with my fingers, and also combing it through just to make sure it's all in there. Then I'm going to take the elastic and I'm going to put it around just a couple times, not too many, not too tight. I do pull it to secure it, but like I said, it's not too tight. I could just slip that off if I really wanted to. So after putting the elastic, I'm then going to take the comb and just curl it with the comb, give it a little candy curl at the end. So now I'm going to just part down the center. Again, keep in mind babies have soft spots, so don't go too hard. And then I'm just going to section it off to keep it out of my way. But look at these curls. I just had to zoom in for you guys. So now I'm gonna do a middle back section. I just kind of use his ear as a guide to make sure that they're equal and to make sure that I know how many that I want to do. Once I parted, I then add a little bit of the product, and then I add the elastic again, secure it, and then I use the comb and curl it off. Very easy, very simple, not much to it. And then I just continue along with that same set of steps. Alright, so the first side is done. We ended up with 3 on the side and 1 in the back, and that's the same thing that we're going to carry over for the other side. Since it's literally the same process, I didn't bother to record it for you guys. I'm just going to show you guys the finished product. Ta-da! So this is the finished product, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. It is 6 at the top, 1 at the back, so that makes 7. Like I said, this is hair that is about to be washed, so his scalp is a little dirty, but it took no time at all. This probably took me like maybe 5-10 minutes, if that. The butter cream that we use from Shea Moisture is great. It kept the hair down itself, and it gives it an amazing curl. The style is easy, unisex, and looks great. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment.